This is Project Fluid, an ECD custom Defender 110 built to our client's exact specification. Fluid is painted in full gloss Arles blue with black accents all around. Fluid sits on 18-inch Kahn 1983 wheels with BFG all-terrain tyres. This 110 also features a 6-point external roll cage, classic front bumper and ECD black metal steering guard. Inside, Fluid features a Momo Indy wooden steering wheel with all-American gauges. The gauges have custom paint finishes to match the exterior colour. 2 Puma Classic front and mid-row seats, with 4 inward-facing jump seats in the rear. Each seat is finished in a diamond-stitched Garrett Avion caramel leather with dark beige stitching. We also have our own American oak deck in the cargo area, finished in a teak-like stain for a timeless look against the tan leather. This 110 is powered by our LS3 430 horsepower engine with 6-speed automatic transmission. Project Fluid also features an array of modern elements such as JL Audio sound system, Apple CarPlay, wireless charging and access to USB ports throughout. The classic Arles blue and tan colour is a firm favourite here at ECD. The high quality touch points throughout and the stunning hardwood rear make this vehicle a true to its heritage custom build with a visual that nobody could ever tire of. A stunning build and credit to the owner for its design.